First, scroll down on the plant screen until you see My Device list. Click on the battery serial number which begins WP. Select Control at the bottom of the screen. A list of options will display. Choose Battery first. You will now be asked to enter a password. See instructions on screen for help on the format. You must enter the date in year, month and day. Make sure the password is typed in lowercase and press Done. Now, make sure both the charge time start and end slots are set to 0. Ensure that time slot 2 and 3 all display 0 also. Set time slot 1, 2 and 3 to disable and press Done. You have now successfully disabled the battery charging from the grid. If you need any additional support, call the number on screen.